Across all the ones who put the cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire sprouting all around me. The world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So, I know we've said for a while now we're going to get back into Brabus stuff. The Brabus is over there. It's here. But the point of this video, there's been a huge beef going around on the internet right now about who has the best car scene. Texas, California, blah, blah, blah. We know it ain't California. Why? Because y'all got more laws than you do people. However, let's show you how a Texas meet gets down. So we're at the Monday Night Madness meet here at I-30 Dragway, which is now Redline Dragway, which used to be Poseidon Dragway. Sure, they're drifting, they're drag racing, there's shows, there's 20 trophies, there are multiple high-end cars. I mean, come on. You were saying?
We're here for fun.
We're here for fun. So we're going to show you how Texas gets down. Hey, here's another key difference. You see that behind me? Those are cops. They're watching. He's recording. Y'all can't have exhaust. You can't have boost. If you have tint, you're straight to jail. Let's be honest. Here, the cops are doing it. I mean, come on. It's unparalleled. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. So check this out. Here's another aspect. You guys in California, you got your sweet weather. It's sunny and 70. I know, I used to live there. Your laws ain't worth it. Check this out behind me. What do you think that is? What do you think that right there is? There's a stun right there. What do you think that is? That's a storm coming in. And is it stopping anything?
Nope.
You tell me. Nothing. Oh, you guys have so much to learn. Oh, by the way, there's some good news too that just happened. You guys that can't have downpipes, you can't have exhaust, you can't lower your vehicles, you can't have certain headlights. Our governor just signed a law to get rid of all vehicle inspections. It's the Wild Wild West, literally. Now keep in mind, this is a meet, okay? People are drag racing, people are drifting. Show me where that's happening in California. Don't worry, I'll wait. Right here. Thing is fucking man. Thank you. Turbo's bigger than my future. Give me the 15-second skinny. What's it got in it?
370-inch LS. Alcohol, 98mm turbo. Hood rat special.
Hood rat special. Love it. Man, y'all gotta go check this dude out. Look at the e-brake. The Huffy handle e-brake. I love it. Check it. Check it. Here you go. Here you go. I'm not mad at it at all. Look at the little turbo. The turbski. You think that pipe was hot? So this is the pits. Again, look. It's missing us. But it didn't stop shit. Nothing. It didn't stop anything. This is the free tire inspection drifter guys that are... Hey, hats off to you guys, man. Y'all got some balls. Plus, y'all just break things and duct tape it back on and go.
If you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course.
Look at that thing. Good Lord. still drifting. We got awards coming up, which we're pretty sure I'm getting something. Sir. And then we're gonna get the hell out of here because it's hot. Yeah, boy, sweating. Again, Allie, you're not even close. That's a nice BMW right there. Check that BMW out, son. So as somebody who formerly drag raced, because let's be serious, I haven't done it in a while, we're getting back to it. We're getting back to it. These staging lanes would drive me fucking nuts. It's so disorganized.
The problem is too, the exit, if you don't need to go that way, is that way.
Yeah, so you can either go that way, which is through the staging lane, so you have to play in traffic, or you can go that way and deal with the pandemonium of the crowd. It is what it is.
But if you need to go left, unless you want to drive 3 miles in the wrong direction to turn around,
There is that too, we did it.
you have to go through. Kind of dumb.
Good Lord, look at the tire on this some bitch. Ah, get in there! Get in there!
Hey man, you want a sticker?
For sure, appreciate it.
Yeah.
Oh, and nitrous? Oh yeah. No shit. Stage him, get him in. Hold on. I want to know how much horsepower the drone had. Because that drone was fucking moving, son.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright.